Hello Libra, this is your monthly love reading for August. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. If you are in your birth chart, if it is in Libra, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind that energy can go vice versa or interchangeable. So take it however it resonates. If this reading resonates, please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Let's do your reading, Libra. The Hierophant, Ace of Swords, Eight of Cups, the High Priestess, Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, Five of Cups, Seven of Wands, Queen of Swords and Two of Pentacles. Four of Wands is the bottom of the deck. Let me tell you, the sign present here is are actually. Here we have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Every sign is present here. Specifically we have Pisces, Taurus, Capricorn to some extent. Okay, yeah, these are the sign present specifically. Where however every sign is present here, so it doesn't matter about the sign. So bottom of the deck we have Four of Wands. So you want a commitment basically with this person, but it's look like that this person is not giving it to you. Okay, so your energy is very clear. You are just wanting Four of Wands. You are wanting that Four of Wands, that means a stable relationship. You want a commitment, long term commitment basically, and means you ultimately get settled. You want to get settled. Okay, you want to celebrate life basically, but this person is not giving it to you because they see you as a partner for the physical things. Okay, so this person is attracted towards your physical body. They don't love you, I will say, in that at this point of time, but maybe in future they will be attracted towards you, but right now they are actually only physically attracted towards you. So they want to be with you basically, but they don't want to commit to you because here Nine of Cups is there. You are the wish fulfillment to this person. Okay, they always wanted to have this kind of person in their life, so they are happy right now with you, but they don't want to commit right now because a commitment is always giving them headache. Okay, so they had in their past relationship, they had some ego battles and all these kind of things. So that's why they are always actually fear about the relationship in general, like if it goes for commitment. Okay, so these are the issues in their mind basically. So here's your energy basically. Hierophant energy is there. So this person wants to settle with you, but they don't right now because they have fear in their mind. Okay, so they are actually very intimidated towards you because they are actually fearing that you are very spiritually grown person, and the person you are dealing with right now, they are not matching their vibes right now. Okay, so they think like you will not be the better match, means they cannot match you basically. They cannot match your vibe, and so that's why they fear that this kind of commitment, long term commitment, because they don't know actually that they will resonate with you or not in future. But they want to start a new life, new married life, or new relationship on whatever page you are. Okay, so they want to start this relationship with the truthful manner. Okay, so they want to start a truthful new beginning with you. So they want to confront actually with you. Okay, face to face conversation they want. Okay, so they want some communication with you, and actually they want to talk to you about this fear of getting settled and all. Okay, they have that kind of fear, so they want to talk to you about it. But I am seeing that like you are actually walking away from this person because you have tried so many times with this person that they you want a relationship, you want a long term commitment, but this person is always running from this kind of relationship. So you are actually now moving on with their behavior because you are having the emotions for them, but you are actually drowning them basically in the water right now, and you are just moving on because you don't feel that connection now, because now you are feeling very dissatisfied in this relationship, and you are moving towards the new beginning of your life. Okay, so basically from your side also there is a detachment of feeling, and this person is wanted to start a new beginning. So you are not on the same page. I can see that very clearly. Okay, here we have high priestess energy. High priestess is the card of hiding some things. Okay, so basically you are not showing what you have in your mind now, because earlier you were very clear about that this you want to get settled with this person and all, but right now you are not telling your emotions, you are not telling your decisions to this person, and you are a mystery towards them. Okay, so they even they cannot ask you directly, that they fear that much that you can thrash them out. Okay, so this person actually fears towards you, but at the same time they see you as a very big mystery, and they see you as that you will not show them their true emotions. So you are not showing them your true emotions basically. Okay, so Queen of Pentacles is there. This person still wants to offer you a stable new beginning. So right now they are very late, but they want to offer now. Okay, so Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. However, it is a Capricorn card specifically, but this person wants the stability with you. They want to offer you stability basically. So Queen of Pentacles is here, so they want to offer you a nurturing, caring relationship, but now I think the train has passed, so I don't think that you will accept that offer, but some of you may, but most of you I don't see. Okay, so they see you as a very nurturing and caring person who can nourish them in their relationship and all, and now they want to offer, but you are already bored with this offer. So they want to come correctly as well, because Knight of Cups is here, so they want to show you that they love you. They never told you, but they will tell you that now that they love you. They want to message you everything like that, but I don't think that you will entertain them, because the next card is here, is the Five of Cups. Five of Cups is the card of getting bored and also dissatisfied in the relationship, sorrow in this relationship, regret in this relationship. So you felt all those emotions, like you are hurt by those relationship, means you are hurt by their behavior basically. So earlier you wanted that relationship to grow, but now you decided that this relationship will only come with sorrow and regrets. Okay, so now you are just draining these kind of relationship out, and you are moving on now. You are very you are in very sorrow and very hurt. Okay, so now you have seven of wands. You may block this person in this month. I can see that you will block this person or they will block you. This communication will be blocked between you, between the two of you, and I can see that you're even blocking them in every social media also. So they want to reach out to you, but you are not giving any kind of message back to them, and that's why they are now very much of they are very rigorous, and like these kind of things, like they want to come towards you and they want to confront you basically. Okay, but you are not giving a single chance to them. So here's the situation. Queen of swords is here, so it is your energy basically. You are ready to cut them out in cut them out from your life basically. So whenever they comes, they you will confront them basically. You will listen to them as well. If they are not coming correctly, you will just cut them out and you will throw them out of your life. Okay, so you are very ready to this, and you are very straightforward because you waited so long, and this person have never shown you the serious interest in your life. Okay, so now you have moved on, then they are coming. Then if they are not coming correctly, you will cut them out. Okay, so here we have two of pentacles as well. So this person is still in dilemma basically. They are actually juggling so many things in their life, and still they will not be sure about the relationship. They want to confront you, but still they still could not decide that they want to be with you or not. They want to offer you something, but still they are in dilemma that it can work it out or not. Okay, so let's pull out the outcome card for you this month. For outcome, what is the outcome for this month for Libra? Four of Pentacles and King of Swords. So they see you as very cold towards them, and they see you as very straightforward. They see you as very intelligent and very powerful person. Okay, so and the person you are dealing with right now, they are actually seeing you as a closed off emotionally. They see you as that you are not showing them emotions, any love. You are not showing what you have shown them to shown them before, and they are actually little bit of possessive towards you, and they don't want you to go anywhere, but you will anyway go because the cards are saying. Okay, so August is the month, is it's separating the past person, and I think new beginning will happen in next month. Let's see the card Queen of Moon Oracle for you this month. Unexpected. So this can happen unexpectedly basically. So this person might have not expected that you will do this, and patience is here. So keep patience, and then the thing will be positive maybe in next month. So keep patience, and unexpectedly something will change and some positivity will come towards you, and I think in next month you will have a new beginning. But right now I am seeing that you are still dealing with your past, and you are about to cut off the strings with them. Okay, because they are not able to give you the relationship you want. Okay, so this is the reading for you this month, Libra. Please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot, and if you want to book a personal reading with me, please email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.